Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be ranking my Temu purchases. So these are basically part of a recent haul. So all of these products were featured in that haul video. These are all the beauty products, makeup products. I do these ranking videos all the time after my get ready with me using the new products, which I actually did do today. So all of these products that you guys are going to be seeing are on my face. So that video should already be up on my channel. I do have a Temu playlist, which is down below of all these Temu videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get into it. If you want to see my thoughts on these products, just keep on watching. I have them ranked right in front of me. I don't have that many beauty products in this haul video, 8 products. So we are going to go ahead and start off with the worst, and we're going to end with the favorite one. So at number 8, we have the mascara. So honestly, I don't remember the brand. It's not on the product. This is called their Long Thick Mascara. And to be honest, as you guys know from my haul video, I thought this was going to be a brow gel, brow set, something for my brows, but it turns out that it's a mascara. So I was already like put off by that. I didn't want a new mascara. I have too many mascaras to go through all right there. So I was like, it's a mascara. But I was really intrigued by the actual wand itself. It is more on that curved side, as you can tell. It's actually really nice, really pigmented. I did throw it on the upper and lower lashes today. I have falsies on, so you can't really tell, but honestly it did give. Like I did do a I did 2 full faces of new Dollar Tree makeup using 2 Dollar Tree mascaras, and it just reminded me, girl, Dollar Tree mascaras are not where it's at. It's just not. I told you guys in those videos, they're going to be coming soon to my channel, so definitely stick around if you like Dollar Tree. I told you guys in that video that you're better off buying a mascara from the actual drugstore, CVS, Target, whatever, than Dollar Tree mascaras, because they don't really do too much. But I was surprised to see that this Temu one was also really good. I have a couple of favorites from Temu when it comes to mascaras. There's Sky High mascara. We have a couple other ones that I've tried over the course of these couple months, but yeah, this is definitely one of the good ones. Now the only thing with this, you have to be very careful on how much you apply. It doesn't get clumpy or anything, but it does transfer. The formula is more on the wet side, so it's definitely going to transfer. I got quite a bit of transfer on the lower side of my eye over here. Thankfully I just let it dry and it was able to like kind of scrape away, but yeah, just be careful with that. But to be honest, like seeing all the other products next to it, this was just like the least favorite. I thought it was going to be a brow gel. It turned out to be a mascara. It's just something that I wasn't even expecting to have, but you know, it's actually pretty good. So I'm going to keep using it and keep testing it out, but so far so good with this. It just isn't the best thing that I purchased in this haul. At number 7, we have the Qwi Cream Primer. So if you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys know that I did upload a couple of little videos testing these products out. We have a lip oil video. I think I did a liner video. So a couple of these products, concealer vibes, are on TikTok. So you do get like a closer look at it. Follow me over there if you want something more on the quicker side, where I show you guys reviews and such on things and how everything looks. But I did do a video on the Qwi Cream. This was actually really interesting. I thought it was going to be more on the heavy side for some reason. I don't know. I wasn't expecting a moisturizer, but this is literally just like a moisturizer in a tub, and it feels so nice on the skin. It's really nice, really cooling. It is a little messy vibes if you have like nails, you know, because you do have to dip in there, but it is a very moisturizing product. So if you're into that, you have dry skin, I think you're really much gonna enjoy this product here. It's really nice, really creamy. It does go on, feels nice and cooling, and then it does dry down rather quickly as well, sinks into the skin. I'd say like it was interesting because I noticed that there's a little bit of a tacked feeling on my face where it was like a little sticky vibes. For me, that's amazing because I want my foundation to grip to my face. Very interesting product. Again, next to everything else that I purchased, this wasn't the most exciting thing, but it definitely was more exciting than the mascara because I was really excited to try it. Again, from Qwi, and it does give you an expiration date as well, which I thought was really interesting. So yeah, if you have dry skin, I definitely recommend it. Try it out. It's extremely hydrating. Now I do have oily skin. I have it on today under my foundation, and I hope that this base lasts on me, but I do have oily skin. I still give myself some hydration to my face. You know, all skin needs hydration. So yeah, this is so good, super inexpensive. So you're looking for a primer, I think you're really gonna enjoy this, or even just a nice like moisturizer. really good. This is the only product from today's video that's not on my face. I actually did use it in a recent video doing like a Valentine's Day almost look with like red lips and everything. So I did use a bunch of red kind of products. This is also another product I didn't use actually, but I did use it over my TikTok and in the same video as this blush. So this is the Capuvini, I don't know, blush. So this is called their just cream blush, I believe. It doesn't have the name on it. It's like a gel blush. It's really nice, really creamy, really pigmented, so definitely take a light hand. This is so cute. It does come with a cute little mirror on the inside. Adorable little packaging. This one here is in the shade 03, and it does come in a couple of other color variations, I believe in 3 other shades, and these are just so cute. I really wanted to try out. This is not really like duping anything specific, but I just thought it was adorable, especially for Valentine's Day now that it's coming up. This is just so cute, so I thought I could do a couple of videos on it, TikToks, whatever. Adorable. Definitely recommend if you're on the market for a new cream blush. I think you're really gonna enjoy this, especially if you're like more on the go. I love that it comes with a little mirror as well. Even if you have no makeup, you throw this in your purse, you throw a little bit on your skin, like it's really easy to blend out as well. So yeah, this is so cute. So we do have 2 concealers. I'm just going to go ahead and lump them together. We do have 2 concealers from Mini Stars. You guys know the Ultra Creamy Concealer and the Infallible 24 Hour. And I really much enjoyed both of them. I'd say if I had to choose, I'd say the Ultra Creamy. This is actually what I have on the eyes today. I also did test out the Infallible again in that video with the red lips. I'll have it down below. And also over on my TikTok, I went ahead and used both of them on the under eyes so you guys can see how they look. But both of them are honestly really good. I'd say this one is just my most favorite one out of the 2, but both of them are actually just as good. So if you want to try some concealers, definitely recommend, especially for Mini Star. They're a really great brand on the site. I really love their like contour duo, as you guys know. So yeah, didn't disappoint. So excited that I picked up these concealers. Next we have liquid liner. We have the Missou Sky High liner. Looks like so. Also not quite a dupe of anything or like trying to dupe anything. This is actually the liquid liner that I have on today. Really black, really easy to use. I did notice that it is a little frayy. Like it did look like it was kind of like moving around a bit, but honestly I was able to control it quite easily. And there's a look at the liner. It's so good. I believe I tried it in a different video as well, if I'm not mistaken. Honestly I don't remember, but yeah, so good, didn't disappoint. So yeah, I was looking for a like liner on the side that I can use in my full faces of Temu videos. Definitely a good one. So happy that I picked it up, and it's super inexpensive, so really love this. Next we have the blush that's on my cheeks right now. This is the DANCHEL Embossed Blush Palette. So there's a look at that. It's like a pinky kind of vibe. I do have a cream blush that matches this perfectly. Just this Creme Shop cream highlight. So pretty. I do have this under and then this on top, and literally they just go so perfectly together. I did find this at Marshall's for I believe $5.99 or something. So good. But girl, yeah, this one does come in different colors on the website. I went ahead and chose the popular shade because it is duping or allegedly duping a higher end brand. As you guys know, super popular brand. This shade of pink is definitely very in at the moment, and a lot of people are like searching for like the best pink blush. Definitely check it out. This is what I have on the cheeks today, and it's just stunning. You guys saw it in action in that full face of new makeup video. So yeah, this I'm so glad that I picked up, and I know I'm gonna keep reaching for this because it's just so cute and it's the perfect shade of pink. Last product honestly is the lip oil. So if you guys saw my haul, you guys know the Qwi lip oil. It says it's nourishing and healing. This is a pH balanced lip oil, so it does change with the color of your lips, and it's just the most beautiful pinky tone on my lips, and it literally looks like that pink on the inside. Comes with a nice like big doe foot applicator. That's basically the color that it deposits on the lips. Stunning. Everything about this, the packaging, I just love this, and I've been reaching for it quite a bit. Smells really good as well. Packaging is 10 out of 10. Actual formula is 10 out of 10. So if you're on the market for a lip oil, I know those are very in at the moment as well. You want something no fuss or anything with a little bit of color to it, I think you're really gonna enjoy the lip oil from Temu. So that was it. That was the last product. Let me know, have you tried any of these products? Are you gonna purchase any of them? Let me know in the comments. And again, I do have a Temu playlist, which is down below in the description box, so definitely check out my past videos. I do a lot of affordable beauty here on my channel, so definitely stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.